having a lot of Nadi Shodhana right now, so I'm just hanging with it. Thanks for your patience. Oh, yeah, that forlorn third hamstring, the one on the outside of the leg. So it's so important to do leg stretches at the end of every practice when you're doing this kind of work, this deep work. Okay, deep lotus work. Yay, hoo! And then there I go into the lateral line. Let's leave the left side alone for a minute. Open the right hip. And this is an example in my body of someone who worked really hard on their lateral line because it helped my scoliosis. I didn't work that hard on my back line. I am now. Okay, there's the scoliosis. Now you see how pitched over I am, and that's why I like to use the ropes. Because I have to bring the left hip in to help bring some energy into the right hip. Yeah, and then the full pose is either prayer here or eagle. There we go. The arms actually help. They help bring the rib cage in. Now you can go back up.